Halo sobat semua, bertemu lagi dengan saya dalam review unboxing. Now, I can unboxing the Gundam Master Grid from Bandai. Dramatic combination Master Grid and figure Rise Bus Kira Yamato. Okay, this side box is a icon of Gundam Master Grid Freedom for 2.0. You can look this figure was by Yamato and the Master Grid Freedom dramatic combination. This full buster from Freedom many cannon Sugai, and this all figure bars Tarantula, Lacus Klein, and them all. Master Grid Freedom Gundam for 2.0 and Kira Yamato dramatic combination from Bandai. Okay, now I can open the box. Let's see what I can get from the box. Oh, many. You can look very many plastic, so many. Yes, oh, すごいかっこいい。Oh, the face of Kira Yamato. And all is good. Okay. That's all unboxing Master Grid Gundam dramatic combination Freedom Gundam. See you next time. Sampai bertemu lagi.